Good morning, this is Doris. We are beginning our class of curriculum studies in the topic of curriculum change and innovation. Changes occur in curriculum so that it can adjust to the economic, technological, social, political, and ideological needs in the society. Change can be perceived at three different levels. One is minor changes. This involves rearrangement of subject, content, learning activities, the organization of personnel, and addition of topics or methods in the curriculum project. Medium changes, we have another one is medium changes, which involves not only organizing of the content, materials, or facilities, but it also involves integration of subjects or new approaches to the existing subjects. Another one is it may involve complete reorganization of conceptual design of the curriculum, change in structure, content, methods, and approaches. And another one is material facilities, leading to totally new curriculum plan or program for curriculum change to occur. And for the curriculum change to occur, there are certain agencies involved in the process. Agencies of curriculum change. Agencies of curriculum include institutes of education, curriculum development centers, research institutes, schools, colleges, universities, Ministry of Education, that is all sections and departments, publishing firms, examination bodies, local education authorities, teachers unions, and the lay public. Importance of curriculum change. Curriculum change is inevitable in the society. This is because there is no perfect curriculum for all ages, since society keeps on changing, and there is need for curriculum to change to to meet society needs. Change links societal needs to school needs in order to bring out dynamic personalities that can be addressed in the societal needs effectively. Change leads to more effective and efficient use of resources. Factors that necessitate curriculum change and innovation. One is socio-demographic factors. The nature of the population has a direct relation to curriculum planning, development, and change. The society and the environment in which we live change, and these changes affect the schools, which are part of the society. Number two, technological factors. In most countries, developed or developing governments control and finance education. This means that they have a lot of control in curriculum development. A good relationship must exist between curriculum developers and the government in power. Number three is research and growth in knowledge, which is epistemology. The existing economic orders in a given country, such as Kenya, coupled with A new technology requires that students be introduced to new set of skills to meet economic challenges. The state of economy in the country will influence the curriculum. Number 4, political factors. The nature of the population has a direct relation to curriculum planning, development, and change. The society and the environment in which we live change, and these changes affect the schools which are part of the society. Change in the society is also reflected in a school curriculum. Social problems such as unemployment affect people's way of life. It is the curriculum which is charged with the responsibility of ensuring that social problems are alleviated. Criteria for judging the value of curriculum innovation. Following are 5 criteria that can be used. These are relative advantage, compatibility, triability, observability, and complexity. Let's examine each of them in turn. Relative advantage. This is the degree to which an innovation is perceived as being better or introducing useful knowledge, leading to acceptability, and the rate of adoption and the rate of adoption. An innovation should bring improvement in the learning of students, should be economically manageable, and should have a low initial cost, which poses no special risk to anybody's security. Compatibility refers to the degree to which an innovation is perceived as being in agreement with or supportive of potential adopters' needs and values. Triability. This refers to the extent to which the innovation can be piloted without taking too much time, energy, or funds. The concern is better sufficient data The concern is whether sufficient data can be obtained from the limited trials in order to make a decision as to whether the innovation is necessary or not. Next is the observability. It means that the potential adopters and sponsors of an innovation would like to see tangible results. The immediate consequences of the innovations should be clearly defined. And next is complexity. An innovation must be simple enough to be understood and utilized. If potential adopters perceive it as being too complicated in terms of time, money, and expertise, they may avoid it or reject it. An innovation must fit in with the goals and objectives of education, which usually reflects the needs, interests, values, and problems of the society. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Meet you next.